Assalamu alaikum beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today is the 27th of Ramadan in United States. Ramadan is almost finished. May Allah accept our prayers and fast. Ameen. So let's move to the recipe. Today very healthy and delicious recipe called creamy fruit chaat. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to see my new recipe. I used all the fruit I had available. I used lots of fruit because the more fruit you used, it will be more tasty and will look good as well. But you can use whatever fruit you have available. Let's start.